Welcome to the channel. So most guys want to add muscle to their arms, but they don't know how to do it. I'm here to tell you that there are easy ways to do it. Not necessarily going to the gym, you can do it at home. And I'm going to take you through some basic 2 or 3 exercises that you can do that can increase your biceps and of course your triceps. So now, the first exercise is, assuming you are in the house and you want to do workout, you don't have dumbbells at home. I know you can easily get a water bottle, right? So you don't have dumbbells. We are going to do home-based exercise. So just get 1 liter bottle like this, fill it to the brim. If this 1 liter, you fill 1 liter 2, 1 for your left and 1 for your right. Yeah. So basically, I'm not going to use the water bottle because I have dumbbells here, so I'm using the dumbbells. So in case you are in the house, you have filled the water bottles, hold it like this, right? Now, the exercise we are going to do is called hammer curl. So this is my water bottle at my left and right as well. Then you go it easily like this. Like that. The number that you do for the left, you do same for the right. Do not rush the weight, just go easily. If your strength is 1 liter water bottle, you do 1 liter. If yours is 75 ml, depending on your strength. This exercise, the reason why you don't need to take heavy weight is for you to do it for in one standing for at least 100 reps for both hands. So say 100 to the right and then 100 to what? The left. So this is hammer curl. You do this 400 times for both what? Hands. Yeah. If you can go 100, then maybe 50 for a starter will not be bad. So just like that, slowly, you will feel the impact. But for the sake of time, I wouldn't be able to do up to 100, but I've already explained. So just do it 100 times. Take a deep breath, just relax. You understand? Cool off. Now, after doing this, you have actually sparked the muscles. You have given it the room to be ready for the bigger exercise. Now, we are talking about home-based exercise. Maybe you are in a village, you don't have a gym. I mean, one of the best ways to gain arms again is the second one, which is what? The press up. And press up, or others call it push-ups. Push-ups comes in different variations. Okay? Now, it depends on what you want. Do you want biceps or you want triceps? Mostly guys, we want whenever we wear a shirt at this level, someone should be seeing the muscle popping up like this. So this is the how do we call it? The triceps muscle. How do you go about it? Now, one of the push-ups that I can give you that is that muscle is the diamond push-up, and I'm going to take you through how to do the diamond push-up perfectly for triceps. So let's go right into it. Okay, so say you are in your house. Yeah, you don't need any instrument, you don't need any tools. It's just you and your body. So this is the hand positioning. So if you can come close and you'll see the hand positioning well. Yeah, so this is the hand positioning. Or should I go back a little? Okay, then let me come back like this. So your hands are positioned this way. This is what we call diamond push-ups, right? Now you go slowly, don't rush the weight. Allow the impact, allow your body to feel the impact. Incline your hands like this. Yeah, then you go down slowly. In, 1. Yeah, like that. 2, like that. 3. You can see what happens to my triceps. Yeah, you see? 5, yeah. 6, don't rush it, just go slowly. 6. Okay, I wasn't counting, but let's say 8, 9, okay, 10, okay, right. So that is it for diamond push-ups. Now, you're at your home. What you do is the diamond push-ups, you do it 10 reps for 10 sets. So that will be like 100. It will be okay for a day. You wake up 5 a.m. If it is a weekday, you can do this exercise. Within 30 minutes, you should be able to finish what I'm demonstrating, and then your body is ready for the work ahead of you. Yeah, so basically that is diamond push-up. And its focus is on the triceps. Yeah, triceps. Now, listen, it's not just the triceps, you're also working on your chest as well. Know that. So push-ups, it's multifunctional, right? Yeah, so that is it for diamond push-ups. Now we can also do other push-ups that can, increase your arms, which you already know, the common or the simplest. So let's say simple, maybe the common one you know. So we are going to do normal push-up. But listen, most people do push-ups the wrong way. When you are doing push-ups, let the weight be here, not this. Allow this to be hanging, okay? It should be floating like this. Then the pressure should be on this part of the body. I wish I know the name for it, but let your thumb be hanging, right? So let me just do the positioning, and we do other regular push-ups that can actually help elevate or what? Give you the biceps or triceps and also chest as well. But today our main focus is just on the arms. So let's go. Now you go down like this. Should I adjust myself back? Right. So now, when doing push-up, don't let your hand be straight like that. Let it incline a little. And this should be up. Your thumb, there shouldn't be any weight on it. Right? Hope you can see that you go down slowly. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I want to explain why I did a 25. It has been scientifically proven that the sweet spot for chest and muscle growth in press up is 25. So I wouldn't say do 25 even when you can't do it. But if you can, even if you do 25 reps for 4 sets, 5 sets, 6 sets, when you go more, it's a plus to you. So if you can go 25, that is when the body, you are carrying your actual body, that is when the body actually feels it and begins to evolve. So basically, that is it. Now, the last thing we'll be looking at is the curls, right? The arm curls, okay? Yeah, so the arm curls, assuming you are not in the gym, you still want to do it. Earlier we talked about the water bottle. If you don't have dumbbells, or if you don't have a barbell like I do in the gym, you can still use the water bottles and hold it like this. Yeah, like this. But here I have a barbell, right? I have my barbell. Now, most people do it and they shoot their shoulders up. Don't do that. Just allow your hand to do the movement. So like this, yeah, slowly. I've always advised that when you are doing pressure, whether your energy is beyond the meter or not, always go slowly. The muscles wants it that way. If you rush it and you are like this, nice, it doesn't help. So give it that slow impact. You will begin to feel the intensity of the metal. So basically, that is it. So guys, this is some of the things. There are several things, but these are some of the basic exercises you can do and get arms. And so if this was helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Thank you for sticking and staying with us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.